Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now, first, this is how I solve it. So, 1, 2. And, never mind. Then, up, then sideways. And then, sure. I solved it. Look. So, how did I solve it? Good question. So, if you ruined up a Rubik's Cube and you don't know how to figure it out, just use rubikscubesolver.com. What I used. It shows you steps in it, and it'll actually tell you how to do it. So, 1, 2 for the first. Then 1, then 1, turn, 1 side, then turn. And then look, you solved it all. So let's just say that you don't know how to solve it and you ruin it up like this. No worries, it's easy to solve. And it actually does very good stuff. Actually shows you how to do it. Just 1, 2. Yeah. So if you don't have a Rubik's Cube, it's perfect. Cause you could pick any. You could pick a 3x3, a 5x5, and a triangle. Yeah, for those Rubik's Cube, good luck, cause the future is starting to happen with Rubik's Cubes. Just use the rubikscubesolver.com. So that's how I solved it. Actually, my mom solved it first, then me. Yeah, so I solved it. And look, rubiks.com. You can find Rubik's Cube at Walmart. You could find it at Target. Where else could you find it? You could find it at Toys R Us. Yeah, anywhere where you could find a Rubik's Cube. Just get it, ruin it up, just search up rubikscubesolver.com. Yeah, I should stop saying that. It's starting to get annoying. Wait, I'll be right back. Rubik's Cubes. Fun to play with. Better with cheating. So this is just a cheating thing to solve it. Because look, it's a Rubik's Cube. Whoa, look. Yeah, that's really all you could do. Yeah, that's pretty hard to do. No one could really do that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm actually a pro at these. Psych, I just cheated. Bye.